सुहानी रात है, छिटके हुए सितारे हैं। सुहानी रात है, छिटके हुए सितारे हैं। सुकोot-e-neem शबी के लतीफ इशारे हैं। फिराक गोरखपुरी। A pleasant night and the stars scattered across the skies is a sign of delightful quietude of the midnight. Loneliness and quietude forms a dreamy backdrop of several of Firaq's ghazals and nazms. He talks of a calm that encapsulates the universe, a quietude and a calm, a loneliness that goes beyond the existence of mankind. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.